If you're seeing a Trello JavaScript load error, it usually means your browser failed to properly load Trello's front-end scripts. This is not a board issue, and it's not something wrong with your tasks. In most cases, it's either a browser problem, an extension conflict, or a network restriction. The good news is you can usually fix this in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps. Let's fix it step by step. First, refresh the page properly. Don't just click the normal refresh button. You need to do a hard reload. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to clear the cached JavaScript files and download fresh versions directly from Trello servers. If the error was caused by a corrupted or outdated script in your cache, this alone will fix it instantly. If that doesn't work, the next step is to manually clear your browser cache. Go into your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords or history unless you want to. After clearing the cache, completely close your browser, reopen it, and then load Trello again. Second, disable browser extensions. This is one of the most common causes of JavaScript load errors. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy extensions, antivirus browser tools, and VPN extensions can block Trello scripts from loading properly. The easiest way to test this is to open Trello in incognito mode or private browsing mode. Extensions are usually disabled there by default. If Trello works in incognito mode, then one of your extensions is causing the issue. Go back to your normal browser and disable extensions one by one until you find the one creating the conflict. Third, check your internet connection in network restrictions. Trello loads JavaScript files from Atlassian domains. If you're on a work network, school network, firewall, or proxy server, certain domains might be blocked. Try switching to a different network, or quickly test using your mobile hotspot. If Trello loads fine on another network, then your original network is restricting access. Fourth, make sure your browser is updated. Trello relies on modern JavaScript features, and outdated browsers may fail to execute them correctly. Update Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to the latest version, then restart your browser. If you're using the Trello desktop app, fully close it from the system tray or task manager, then reopen it. If the error continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh its internal files. Finally, check the official Trello or Atlassian status page. Occasionally, there may be a service disruption affecting front-end script delivery. If that's the case, you'll just need to wait until they resolve it. In most situations, a hard refresh or disabling extensions fixes the Trello JavaScript load error immediately. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes just like this. And if it's still not working for you, drop a comment and tell me which browser you're using, whether you're on the web version or desktop app, and the exact error message you're seeing. I'll help you diagnose it precisely.